Take for tangent for a second. Jack Welch, Lee Iacocca. What is it they have? What you would go around and do a self-analysis of companies, right. and you would look for things that you could identify with right. and know that they had the potential to grow, right. and they had a culture right. to grow, and they had a plan to grow. What do great managers do? Well, there's two types. You have Fred Smith, who comes up with an idea right. called Federal Express. Right. Then he had to grow it, and that's really tricky. Sometimes right. people can just do the idea part. He did all the parts. Right. And then there's Lee Iacocca had to turn around at trouble with Chrysler. And even more challenging, a giant company like General Electric to make something good better. I mean, right. that's really hard. So all these people basically were problem solvers, and they had to manage people. And one of the things that surprises people, they don't understand the definition of management. It's getting things done through others. It's a lot easier to do something yourself. Yeah. If you have somebody else do it, and lots of people, obviously you're managing people, and sometimes you have to encourage them, sometimes you have to push them a little hard. I mean,
Inspire,
people are different.
motivate,
it's hard.
encourage.
But you have to understand what they want. You have to work with them. You have to explain yourself. You have to set goals. And you have to be a leader yourself, and you have to put a lot of effort into it. And you have to make mistakes. And there's a real amazing difference between being persistent and being stubborn. And I think great leaders to say, this is
persistence is good, stubborn's bad.
Persistence is terrific. Stubborn's terrible.
But do great managers listen?
Yes, they do. Absolutely. Categorically.
I've come to know and believe that listening is a principal, essential quality.
And sometimes managers get so high up, the people around them aren't giving them ideas. They're just shielding and filtering everything else. Yeah. They don't have a chance to listen.
And the best manager will make sure they do hear
and
the best thing.
And they go out on their own, do their own research, independent of the people around them.
Yeah.